Pause. You hear that? Those are the sounds of free sound effects. Starting with numero uno, freesound.org. This website is a community-driven platform where users share and download sound effects. There's gonna be a lot of poopy ones, but trust me, when you find the golden one, it is mint. Numero due, Zapsplat. Zapsplat? Zapsplat. I can't say this properly. This website offers a high-quality library of free sound effects, and not only that, royalty-free music. And numero tres, Sound Bible. Various licenses are offered, but again, guys, if you want to use it for free, there's a limit.